What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're well. We're taking a look at Quant today on the daily time frame. What a crazy pump. Quant is up 7.6% after yesterday's bounce off the golden pocket.
Complex fucking pullback, that's all it is, bro.
This was absolutely incredible. Luckily for us, we did talk about this in the YouTube short as well as in the video. So if we take a look now on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see that it's just rejected slightly below $160. So annoying. Bearing in mind, you must hold above this golden pocket if we want to continue to 160, potentially even 180. We can't lose $136. Hold above that wick. It's all about that wick right now, guys. I'm even going to mark it out for you right there. You cannot lose this. This is the green go signal. Green for go. No, I'm not gonna write that down. Oh god. But yeah, green for go. As long as you're above this, as we were saying in yesterday's update, remaining above this, we've got chances of breaking above the 1 fib level, at least coming up to there. And once we've got that clear breakthrough, continuing to minimum $153. So amazing that I was able to warn you guys of this. And of course, the only reason we saw this happen is because the reversal wave was created. So remember, the fibs are meant to do something like this. But when we're extremely bullish, as we're seeing, it's just going to create the reversal wave, hit it as support, and continue to these targets. So we should expect $160. However, for the moment, we are retracing. We can see on the 4-hour time frame. We see on the 4-hour time frame, we're currently on the 1.272, $153. Again, 4-hour close below that, we're coming back down towards the 1 fib level at 147. You could potentially play a bounce at 150. Again, you'd need a 4-hour candle close above it with wicks going under, showing you I was below. I closed back above 150 to head back up. But essentially, guys, I'm going to tell you the deepest you can retrace. You can see where the 55 is. That's saying, of course, the 618 at 139. Let's call it $140. But yeah, we're looking at that 0.5 fib, essentially $137. We can't be losing that. But of course, what is this white moving average down here? It's the 200. So this is basically saying if you're above this, we should continue our trend. The only time I see us coming down to here is a loss of the 55. So if we lost the 55 there, boom, come down to here, get pushed back above. Hold it as support, boom, continue anyway. That would have been the case anyway, even if we dip down to here, because this should keep your uptrend in place. So yes, if we lost this, you can still keep your uptrend, but yeah, we would need to see this flip back into support. We don't want it flipped into resistance to continue lower and lose this. We want to get back above it, but we're not seeing that anyway, guys. We don't even need to talk about that. Quant is looking absolutely amazing, and again, we just can't lose this level 137 if we want to continue up to 160, 180. But again, don't forget, just because I'm saying you can't go below this, I'm not saying we're going to it. Just understand that. Of course, in a freak event where we're coming to it, we need it to hold. But again, we can just simply find support here for the continuation or here. We just need to be shown the signs, guys. But now if we scale down to the 15-minute time frame, if we can see it a bit clearer, yeah, we've got a wick here lining up with the 55. So yeah, clearing this range over here, which is about $151. Only if we're closing below 151 and 150, we're coming back down to the 1 fib level where your 200 EMA is on the 15-minute time frame. So it's saying even if we dip down on the 15-minute to the 147, then we can still bounce from here and climb back up and head higher. So all these pullbacks look like they want to keep going up. Only once we're being proven that yes, okay, it is going through the 200, losing the 1, it is losing the 786, and it is losing 136. Only at that point, guys, will I be able to say, okay, yeah, looks like, okay, we could be coming for a deeper retracement now. But for the moment, let's go to the daily now, because we haven't looked at the daily just yet. But yeah, that could be a freak scenario where we're actually rejecting this larger golden pocket. What I would say about this golden pocket, guys, is that you can see that with this daily candle today, you're actually pushing through this 0.5 fib. And with that, it means that it's really onwards and upwards towards 162, because that's the next fib level. If you've been noticing the trades I've been going through in, of course, the different updates on the lower time frames, I've been telling you guys that I'm basically trading the fib levels. If it closes above this, it's going to that. If you close below this, you're going to that. So look, as we're coming up, look, we're rejecting the 382. Look here, we're coming to the 382. Did we get above it? No. So we go down. Did we lose 100? No. So we never got that descending triangle. We never got that continuation lower of the head and shoulders pattern, because it wasn't just about the uptrending neckline of this head and shoulders. It's all about the horizontal. I was telling you guys. Equally, I was saying, if you lose this and this, you're only going to come to here. Only if you lose this, then we're going to continue to the final target of the head and shoulders. So if we're not losing $100, there's no kickstart of continuation lower, guys. And then, yeah, we saw this double bottom over here. Luckily enough, I was able to spot it and give it to you guys, as well as this on the breakout, calling out this breakout with targets much higher at 164 and 177. So good, amazing. We've got some confluence on Quant. Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, do smash up that like button. But yeah, we do have confluence up here now. Not only was it the target out of this double bottom, the aggressive one from this wick to the neckline, putting it on the breakout target being 178, this target being 164. You can see that we are having the 618 here, 162, so we could get this rejection down here, maybe a little wick up to there before rejecting it. But yeah, if we are to get rejected off the 618, we need to hold the 0.5 fib at 146, where we've just held resistance and dipped twice. Just need to see that held as support, as we are currently rejecting it. So again, a daily candle close above this for the continuation up. We've just gone on the lower time frames, the 4 hour, the 15-minute time frame. We want to hold this low over here today that we've created, this higher low from earlier today. Otherwise, it looks like we're coming back down to that 147 area on the 15-minute time frame, where the 200 EMA is. Again, while you're above this, we've still got this uptrend. Only once we lose this, we haven't on the 15-minute time frame. This is where we could start to head back down to the golden pocket, and on the daily time frame, that would look like a big harsh rejection of this golden pocket. So of course, we need to hold that higher low to climb back up, essentially. So yeah, don't worry, I will be here tomorrow to update you guys, but I hope that was pretty crystal clear today. And remember, in the past, even before this started coming down, ever since we load out over here, basically when we started dipping from this point, luckily enough, I told you guys to sell. I was saying look for re-entries between at about $120 because of 200 EMA there. Fortunately, we lost it. We came back to it. I wasn't too certain. I was saying it's going to get rejection, and then I was saying let's finally wait for a close below 100. Then we're going down, finished. We're going down to 80, and then yeah, we could bounce, but maybe flipping this to resistance to continue lower to 50. So this is what I was, of course, warning of everyone, just in case it does happen, because we're always looking at it both ways. But equally, ever since this low over here, even before pushing up, I was saying that you can come up to the 786 over here, all the way to the 786, and still lose the golden pocket and get rejected and still go low and put lower lows. Of course, we want to avoid that, and to avoid that, we need to come up to the 786 and flip this golden pocket into support. So we could be on the path to doing so, because ever since failing to lose it 100, you've now put in a higher low, because that is higher than this. So now we should go up and break this high. We broke the high, retested it. So now we're onwards and upwards to these targets, that being the 786 and the 1 fib level. So of course, if we ever get up to the 786, I'm expecting a rejection, guys. Look, we found support here and we went to the 786, and then we fell back down to the 618, flipped it into resistance and dropped. So whenever we get up here, if we see a close below, look what happened when you closed below, you went back down to the bottom. So if we ever get above this, look, when you held it as support, you went up to there. So if we ever get above this, we're going up to there. Look, if you close below it, you go back down to here. Okay, if you close below it, you're going back down to here. Easy as that. Now hold that for the continuation high. If that happens, wow. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you like. Let's smash over 150 likes. Please share the update. It really is appreciated, guys, on Twitter or whatever you guys want to do on your Telegram group chats or whatever it is in your own communities, whatever it is. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment. If you want me to teach you one-to-one, because you have time, you want to do about 10 1-hour lessons with me, you get the course included, which is 6 hours, and my personal community with over 50 people there talking every day, sharing trade ideas, sharing, well, me personally putting in past trades. Any further detailed videos are in there. Any questions for me, anything. We're all helping each other in there. It's a great community. If you want to join in, hit that link underneath this video to my Twitter, Louis_crypto. It will take you over there. You can private message me about the course or the mentorship. If you don't have time, do the course. If you have time, do the mentorship. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in tomorrow's update. But wow, great to see that after yesterday's update for us calling for higher prices of 150 to 160, we did top out at 159,800 and something. So literally a few cents, literally 10-20 cent away from our target. But yeah, hey ho, stupid market makers. I'm still expecting to go up to higher price targets, as we are not invalidating this. Again, invalidation of this target, higher targets, would be a close below 131. Signal that we could be going down to there is that loss of that 15-minute time frame, or was it that 4-hour time frame, 55 EMA over here, $137. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.